What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I'm Fishing with Ty. Hope you guys are having a great day. In today's video, we are up in New York right now at my cousin Dennis's house. We came up here to fish one time last year. It was like last November, around that time. Uploaded a video then. We absolutely crushed them last time we were here. I think I caught 20 bass. Can't promise the same this time, but hopefully we're going to be able to go crush them. We're going back to the same exact spot. We actually did fish a lake earlier today. Weren't so successful. We're going back to the same lake that we were at last year tomorrow, if that made any sense. So we're staying here for the night, and then first thing tomorrow morning, we're heading over to the lake. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning with some fish catches.
On the boat, yeah, I gotta get some fish now. Heads up, watch these swimmers coming in. And first cast. Yeah, I'm jerk baiting again. 1 year later. See how this does. Maybe we'll get some better size this time. Oh, I got one. There you go. Boom. Done. Alright, we're good to go home now. Later, bud. Jerkbait is the bait for this lake, apparently. Yeah, that's what I caught 20 on last, or 22, whatever the amount was. And the first time, yeah, I thought I was just on weeds or something. Oh my gosh. Came over. That was a tiny fish, man. Yeah. Oh, I'm back. Little guy. No fish with him.
Nice one?
No. No.
They couldn't hold him? They couldn't hold him. Ooh, another tiny one.
That was funny.
Even though he was on.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw him sitting right there.
Sonny, pumpkin head, can we please call it a pumpkin?
other day. There we go. Yeah, little guy. Little baby.
Nice bass.
Top water. Top water.
Oh, he's a good sized one. Into the middle hole.
There's another.
Oh, nice one. They just left. They just left for 10 minutes. So, in 10 minutes.
There he goes. I came off. Damn it.
Really?
Yeah.
Look off of that bait?
Yeah, he's off.
You're like a bass.
Damn, man. Yeah, it did look like
I
that.
just had a hit to it.
You got one? Reel it. There you go.
He goes, I sweat, and he said it a little out to all the ladies. He goes, I sweat more in that hour than I do when I do it. So that is way harder than my workout. So all the girls,
There we go.
all the ladies. So all hard, isn't it, yoga? And they were very nice. They could do it in first class. They could tell he had no clue. They're all used to what they did. These bass. There was this one lady. I did it for probably 2 years. Just got to the point where I told him.
Yeah.
The other one I had to see.
Okay. And you just been dealing with that?
Well, I wasn't physically there.
Oh no. Oh, what is that? This is a bluegill. It's a bluegill. Oh, pumpkin seed. Look at that thing.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Yeah. That's a pretty fish. There he goes. It's like the Mirror Lake of, oh my gosh, you kidding me? Look at this, dude. It's another friggin' pumpkin seed. Like, how do I even hook these things? They're so tiny. Thanks, buddy.
So I go talk to him. He's like, yeah, I've been doing this. He's like, it's cool, yeah, you heard about me and everything. And yeah, he was just having a blast going from just like spot to spot with his dog. He had a nice band and he got the money.
You want to just back up a little? I'll just attach it now.
Yeah.
All right, yeah. I'll tell you. You can keep going. You got like 6 more feet to go. Keep going. A few more. Keep going, keep going, keep going. All right, right there's good. Perfect.
Get closer. Yeah.
A little more.
Oh, go on.